Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So I'm here on the daily chart just to remind everybody that we still are holding our Fibonacci support area. The main thesis from August was that the price should give us a corrective pullback into this support area. An ideal target is usually the 38.2 retracement of the third wave, and that level is at 3,665. And from the high in August, I'm talking about the first high here, that was around about 24% decline, and that is always for a fourth wave an ideal target. It doesn't mean it has to be reached, it's just ideal. So Ethereum itself hasn't done anything unusual so far. Yes, it is a sharp pullback, and that's probably because, we're kind of late in the cycle, but I cannot rule out another high. So I'm still in favor, actually, of one more high. That's my view. I could be wrong about that, but that's still my view. Once we start to break below 3,374, I will have to change my view. We're also holding above the 21-week moving average, EMA, exponential moving average in orange, and the 55-week EMA in white. That's located here around $3,200. So I'm just saying they could offer some additional support. One more low here cannot be ruled out, even in the white scenario, even in the bullish scenario. And if we can, fight through this zone, generate some upside momentum, break above $4,400, it can take us towards 5,800 plus. So now it's getting interesting. If we can grind higher, then most likely, I'd say the chances are high that if that happens, Ethereum dominance, so we'll see here how Ethereum is behaving compared to, altcoins, Ethereum dominance and Bitcoin is likely going to go up, we've already seen a first indication here, but if you ask me, this still looks more like a three-wave move to the upside. Now it's a bit annoying because the 4-hour chart shows us a low here on the 11th. That's the lowest point. The 1-hour chart shows us a low on Friday. I'm inclined to believe the Friday low. But again, it's not a chart that we can really trust for micro counting, but I haven't got a 5-wave move up yet. And also we don't have a break above the trend line yet. So I think once we can get a 5-wave move up here, basically at least one more high, and a break above the trend line, then it's more of it's a better indication that the 5th wave up has started. Okay, so I'm talking about the 5th wave from this swing low in April. And if we can get this one more high on the larger degree here, and then Ethereum might at some point start to top out and get weak. I mean, I'm thinking if that can happen, and it's not a guarantee, but if that can happen, I think that would be possibly the moment when sentiment runs hot. Historically, when that was the case on the Ethereum chart, altcoins started to rally as well. So that's for, what I'm seeing as potential, maybe a mini altcoin season. I do not expect a major altcoin season as most people do. But maybe a mini altcoin season, It's more selective. Another boom phase for altcoins. Not comparable with what happened 2021 or 2017. I'm just saying, watch this space. Looking at the shorter time frame, just a quick one here. Not too much happened today. Ethereum is still holding here this support area between $3,633 and $3,960. I cannot rule out here that we go a little lower. I would not be surprised if we maybe test this area around $3,760 to $3,630 in an extension of this wave B or this wave 2, just as a B, C structure before trying to form the next low. The reason is we've already started quite a sharp pullback today. We're now dancing here at the 78.6 retracement of the upper micro support, but without strong bullish, let's say, momentum. So we're still holding this broader support area. The next objective for the bulls here on the micro level is a break above $4,400. In the short term, it looks weak. So yeah, again, watch this space, watch this area. But one more low, as I said, cannot be ruled out even on the larger time frame. I can't rule out one more low and the test of that larger 50% retracement level at $3,370. So yeah, sharp pullback. It just looks weak today. It just looked weak. So waiting here, we need to be a bit patient, unfortunately. That's the update on Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.